Your free-time program is cut off by the emergency Eas broadcast system. We have something to tell you. In case you don't know who is speaking in this broadcast, I'm Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. At approximately 11:16 p.m. Standard Time, there is a virus that was only on spider webs and spider cobs. Even on every spider's home is where the virus spreads. It spreads by making contact with sight on the giant spider web to be infected in 7 minutes. The real cause is by an infected spider web you'll touch without protection. It needs to be taken seriously and fast. The spider legs on the back is 26 feet tall in height to give the infected extra height. It is actually known what it was, but the hint we all remember is the spider parts, and it has 5 stages of the infection. At 6th stage of infection, completely dead by one time of this virus in one host of the victim of the infection. As we all can tell, expect scientists will handle the situation and find the name of this virus. Stay indoors and never go outside until further notice. We have an update in this broadcast system of Eas broadcast system. At approximately 8:17 a.m. Standard Time, scientists of my team and Megatron's team have discovered a virus name. It is called Arachnodemon TZXK-29173. It is extremely dangerous and almost impossible to cure. It was a failed experiment that Soundwave had made from his lab, and it took place by the spider web. Soundwave had written the instructions on the paper to know what will prevent the infected, no matter the stage, from finding you. Not let them kill you. Lock all of your windows and doors. Prevent the sneaky break-in by tape, cloth, and even barricade the cracks, windows and doors so they can't see you to kill. Hide in the bathroom, basement, and attic. Be silent when they're around outside or inside your home. They're very good hunters by hearing sounds and voices from anyone. Protect yourself from the infected with flammable guns and weapons. Hide in a bathtub, if in the bathroom, and most likely stay calm and never exit your shelter at any reason and circumstances. We'll find symptoms of early stage infection in any moment to have more updates in this virus spread situation.
Oh! Hey! Okay. Eyes on me. Blue. Blue! Watch it. Charlie, hey! Don't give me that shit. Delta! Lock it up. Good! And we're moving. Oh! Hey, that's good. That is damn good. Very good. See? Charlie? That's what you get. Echo, there you go. Delta. Blue? This one's for you. Hold your fire! Do not fire! Put 12 amps in these animals, they're never gonna trust me again. Blue, stand down. Stand down. Hey, hey! What did I just say? Delta, I see you. Back up. Okay. Good. Good. Charlie. Stay right there. Good. Close the gate.
This is the emergency broadcast system. It is not a test. I repeat, it is not a test. At approximately 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an extremely dangerous and very deadly virus is going on inside the big cave of the Florida mining cave. The worst is actually effects on humans and animals, same as Cybertronians. The symptoms include voice changing, nausea, headache, back pain, eyes slowly becoming black, and insomnia. These symptoms, I said, is the signs of early stage infection. In 3 months, it'll be in 5th stage, the strongest infected and difficult stage of the infection. Its bite and scratch from infected will cause a spreading infection in the US of United States of America in Florida. I was on a week off, so Optimus Prime helped me with a job, and it's all thanks to him. By the way, let me tell Optimus Prime something. Thank you for telling the USA about this virus to the news, Optimus Prime. Anyways, avoid going to caves with spider webs that are giant. Listen to what Optimus Prime has said before 20 minutes ago. We'll find more information in this life-threatening virus situation.
I don't know why it's spreading so much, but what the actual hell is going on?
So would Michelle. I don't mind of something else stupid and catastrophic infection apocalypse like this in any way. Nothing is the same as an undestroyed or apocalyptic city anymore. I don't mind all of that, and I don't know what the fucking hell is going on in here either.
Guys.
Something is very wrong with Soundwab's failed experiment. We need to terminate this virus immediately and seriously. We need a plan to stop the spreading from making the end of the world and the extinction of the living humanity, for the love of God Christ.
Guys, I had very threatening news on the update.
What?
Look.
Holy God, 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 holy God. It is very terrible. No, it did not. No, do not tell me it's true.
Yes,
Don't
it's
tell
true.
Me, Alexin.
It's actually
Don't tell
true.
me.
Just it is true,
Oh,
Marcel.
Christ.
For God's
What?
sake already,
It's
I'm
true.
scared shitless
Oh
and
my God, it's
goosebumps
true.
on my heart that
Oh,
I've seen
could
it
the large
already when I
countries
was
like
checking
Russia,
on the
Mississippi,
update on this
China,
event
India,
going on.
Brazil, Australia,
This is very
Mexico,
scary right
Egypt,
now when they swear
Pakistan,
that. I
Chile,
knew it because of the
Germany,
beep of a
half of
notification
Japan,
of an
Philippines,
update from
Italy,
the country
United
photo I
Kingdom,
received
and
from
other
the
half of the
experts
large
and trained
countries are
photographers
taken
in
over
the
infested
air
with
to see the
infected in
country
different
sent by the
classes,
Space
types,
Command
and
and
ranks for
NASA.
each 5 stages.
Just remember that I
And
was
some
the
of the
one
large
telling you the
countries
damn
are
truth,
ruled by the stage
Marcel.
infection.
For the love of
We need to
Lord
tell
Christ
Optimus
God
Prime
that it
about
is
this,
very
Alexin.
catastrophically apocalyptic situation right now.
We need to shoot this image to Optimus Prime right now. Prime. Look at Alexin's data on the map. The infected took over Florida, Texas, Mexico, Egypt, Pakistan, and Canada. Kill Mississippi, Russia, Brazil, Australia, and China, the ones to be the next target on. If they took over these remaining major countries I mentioned before, we'll have to send in nuclear bombs that is as big as North Korea's nuclear bombs wipe of all of the infected on each country. Even that. He was right all along. For somehow what it is very scary and catastrophically apocalyptic situation for all of us and mankind with Mother Nature. I'm afraid that over 1 million people and animals infected by this virus to cause mutations because of the infection bit them or scratched them. They might be blind and have multiple eyes, but they have better hearing to hunt us down. Actually, we're seeing fifth state infection rule 7 countries like Egypt, Pakistan, Texas, Florida, Mexico, France, and Romania. While Romania and France are also taken over by the infected like the 6 countries I mentioned before. I'm very scared about that all along for this.
It is spreading. May God bless the world and all the species. Launching 7 Mark 17th the 10-text bigger version of Mark 6 nuclear bombs.
Seek shelter now. My leader Optimus Prime launched a nuclear bomb that Manson mentioned before, and it's called Mark 17. It is bigger than North Korea's nuclear bombs, and it's heading towards infected countries and states to take down a lot of infected around. There's no cure. There's nothing scientists can do to stop it. It's actually not almost impossible to cure. It's impossible to cure. This message is a good luck message of this emergency alert system broadcast. You have 10 days to seek a fallout shelter outside your home. When you've packed up your stuff and furniture, move out to the fallout shelter to live a life and say goodbye to your home you had from your dreams from all over the globe. It's hard to say goodbye to your beloved home, but seek a fallout shelter to avoid being poisoned and certain death from long exposure to fallout gas. It'll be a 6 weeks of living in a fallout shelter until all clear has been given. This is the Good Hulk message. Good Hulk can find your own way to the fallout shelter. If your home is zombies outside, let the military do THR clearing for you and take you to fallout shelter, and the military still takes you to fallout shelter when no car, homeless, and nothing to take shelter at poor or low on money. Good luck everyone on the globe.
This is ABC News. We got a reminder from all over the globe. The world is 76% infected by the infection of Arachnodemon TZXK, 29,173. 14% more and it'll impact the globe. It's called Mark 17 nuclear bomb with radioactive biohazard mixed chemicals inside the gas. Everything in Earth will be in fallout, destruction and mutation. But 76% infected means you have 5 days to go to the military underground fallout shelter. If you don't have a car, the military will help you out. They have everything packed with current things inside buildings before fallout impacts. This is ABC News signing off. I'll be going to the underground fallout shelter the military has by. Why car?
号を日本中世界の近畿キーシスティームハスディース。日本や世界ドジドオカイトアイルーダ記号等やドジセイをお届けします。お待ちください。お待ちください。お待ちください。お待ちください。お待ちください。お待ちください。お待ちください。サビートの電話を シーマイーオードキャス近畿自定5破砕したボイの近畿シーノーテイム内保管シャイトオーヒト数位があります。キャンザン内シーマイーの期間。ゴエルボイを、海域に町内地ネイド級打せい。ドカイヤ数等指数 TMO 地ビュー客気合と級打せい。高を手数等度を有馬山。旧力します。高を手数等度を有馬山。高を世界的な近畿自定 D 数。北地産の各馬宮殿や地キード自動サビートの各馬宮殿よりもきな各馬宮殿 5B 航空内無有キャットアイル。ウールースアイエラクノダマン TZXK 29173 5万ワン C 全税世界の90リーゴキャンサン社内のトラリー4日以内内ごと数キー24日2027年内域がオイオビューデ社オピューティマスピューレイミューをサビートの国トゥースノーキャンサン社の90戦闘王平城スユルーテイム内 MKU17 馬宮殿を発射した。五山日時内域が出る前内、アイマスーグ避難者イト級打せい。ゴーキブディーリーバ、ガンの地下各社らとニーイット級打せい。しかし、避難指定ボイーを、馬級派と数派で5波形成レスなキャンタンの場所をサビートキャルデビュー 6C、窓のネイ。地下シト数、ヤミューラヘイヤ、またバサーニュー内向かい、怪我をしねいにシャイト級打せい。5を7日前の時間5起こる前のキャンサン社のギャズディー数。直ちに命の期間超える場所内避難すゆるけい、避難しなかりばきゃ給仕と数内しないたります。初級リー、インリー、水、愛来品、曜日電池と数キーレイジーオ、曜日電池と数キー刑事団と、会所地域等、約、同区マスー区、ジナバシーなどの一数十品を避難省内持参シャイト級打せい。ヤスーマスー区をもっといないボイーを、ジーキーをユーキータの地内手でギャスーマスークのエニースユルテイム。ない、ガチいない方合へのより YOI ものを落とすキーと級打せい。地期前提後、ザと数目と数とキャ級字と数なしを避けるテイム内愛キノコルテイム内私たちと同じことをシャイと言います。ペトオーキャットアイルボイーを、必ずペト M を避難省内とスユリーとアイキマシャ。こちらを日本の A、B、C に数 D 数、スリトーネリー、私を残りの乗り級ミーアイントゥともにキーの地下各社らとに無有けいます。
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a global emergency. Mark 17 nuclear bomb is there located at Iran and it'll impact in 9 hours. There's no time to evaluate. Optimus Prime launched it at 10 a.m. 10 days ago. He did this to eliminate all the infected that took over 90% of the globe. Stay inside your shelter in the bathroom, attic and basement. It makes you be walls away from the outside world to be safe from the explosion. Do not exit your shelter for any reason at all. Seal cracks with tape, cloth, and cover the door to the shelter with furniture, such as boxes with stuff inside, stuff that is strong as furniture. Pray that Mark 17 nuclear bomb will wipe out these infected monsters by a simple explosion. It is spreading too much. If you're a religious person, pray that this nuke can help us all and God. May God be with you all in the entire globes of all countries. And God bless all beings. This is Sally, signing off for the last time before shelter. Now I need to get to the shelter right now.